I'm going to be building my dream floating bed with slatted headboard and LED lights. I started first to cut some 2x8 lumbers. This will become the base of the floating bed. We will call the base of the bed small box. I just use a couple of screws in every corner to make the base of the bed stronger. And then I cut another 2x8 lumber for the bigger box. This will become the bed frame for the floating bed. The width of this bed is 1.6 meters and the length is 2 meters long. I was thinking to cut the corners using my miter saw with an angle, but the miter saw is a little bit smaller than usual, so I ended up using the basic cut, which actually became better than I expected. But the center part will be a little bit shorter because it will go inside the bed. It will support the bed to make it stronger. This will be 1.9 meters long and we need to decrease the height of the 2x8 so we will be able to put the slatted bed base later. After that, I took a metal corner brackets, choose the part that I want to put holes in and drill some holes. If you don't have metal corners like this, the other option is to screw it together directly from the bottom and upper part of the bed frame, but it can show the screw, and if you want to hide them, you'll need to seal it and sand it before applying oil and paint. The next thing is to put supports on both of the sides of the bed to be able to hold the slatted bed frame when we place it later. To be able to connect the base and the bed frame, we need to attach this extra support so we can have a stable bed later when we connect the two things together. The next thing is we need to cut the corner here so we can able to place this under the bed later. To be able to add additional style on the bed frame, we can add these 2x3 lumbers and then we can put it on every corners of the bed. Now we can start to add LED lights. And then my order arrived from IKEA. This is a memory foam bed. This would be very good partner for the new bed that we built, but we need to wait 72 hours before we can use it. While waiting, the next thing is to sand this 1x2 lumber that I got so we can use it for our slatted headboard. And then I applied some oil paint on this 1x2 to give an additional warmness and style on our headboard. I measured it and cut the even size of this 1x2 so we can able to mount it on our headboard. I flipped the headboard upside down so when we mount our slatted wood on the headboard, it will be straight and even and will have a very good finish. I'm using this L bracket from IKEA that I got from my previous project. If you don't have this one, you can use other type of L bracket so you can have the same result. By the way, if you enjoyed the video, give this a thumbs up and subscribe so you won't miss my next video.